Hey guys, it's Lisa. I just wanted to pop in really quick and talk to you guys about the super affiliate funnel. There's something crazy going on, and I can't believe this is happening, but my mentor has decided that not only do you guys get to sign up for free, which is David Deckel, he's the owner of the super affiliate funnel, but my mentor has decided to allow us, people who follow and people get on the super affiliate funnel, allow us to watch over his shoulder as he makes $1,400, $1,500, sometimes $2,000 a day. So I think this is a really good deal. I'm really excited about it. So my link is in the bio, so check it out and look it over. If you have any questions, please email me, subscribe, and follow. This is amazing. This is going to be amazing. You get to look over his shoulder and he'll show you exactly what he does. So anyway, I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know this is available. This is so cool. So I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye. I also wanted to tell you guys about the benefits and the bonuses that we get. If you sign up with this super affiliate program, there is 2,997 worth of bonuses that are coming to you. So that's really exciting. I mean, that's worth it there. So it's free to join. David Deckel's allowing us to join for free. So again, check it out. If you have any questions, please contact me. And I will be sure to answer them. Anyway, have a great day, and I hope you guys stay warm. I'm freezing up here in Spokane. We're so cold. But anyway, I will see you guys later. You guys take care. Bye-bye.